session that you're playing, or if you're in a room, hey, you get maybe kicked out and put back into your home world. And
Right.
if you're in a game of Get Set Go, well, after that game finishes, we have to hit you with this message and take you back to your home world because you have to update. Um, I don't know, right? It kind of seems like an ass experience. Like that's why I'm like, if we can get this over the air, which may
Mhm.
require some additional work, right?
Yeah.
It is kind of extra, but
Right.
it's only extra because we have no system. There is
Yeah.
no like uniform way in game dev to do this.
Yeah.
So we have to build it ourselves in
Yeah.
some way.
Yeah.
Um, I think Unity has something for this called remote config, right? And so they have these game overrides. So basically what it is we can install like key value pairs onto each device. So we can say, hey, this is build version this.
Mhm.
And when they update and when we update, we can remotely update this config on every device because it's
Right.
connected through Unity. It's kind of the same thing as what we're doing in Spacetime. It's just through Unity and it is connected to our CCD. It is just way more complicated. They make us do all this extra shit. I was reading it, it fucking sucks. But
Mhm.
they have a way for us to like do just this so that people get these overrides when they first start the game. When we check for internet, they get like a config from like first start the game. When we a config CCD and values and what everything, and they download what they need.
Mm.
Like that's kind of the setup stuff that we would be doing. Like we can do it this way, or we can kind of do it our own way. Either way is valid. But
Right.
if we want to do over the air shit, this is what we must do.
Right.
If we want to do the other way, everything's local on device, we still need to know like what is the most recent build version. So maybe
Right.
we just need one table with one entry and it's just our build version. And when we
Right.
update that, everybody will know, hey, the build's been updated and they checked against their version. And if they don't have it, well, they have to do something.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, man. I think that makes a lot of sense. I think that I'm comfortable. I think the one concession I think we can be comfortable that we need to make is that there's never going to be a case where I don't have everything. In the sense that like previously we may have been comfortable with like, oh, like you don't have this vehicle right now because you never purchased it or never interacted with anybody who ever had it. So like whenever you join a lobby and it's in there, we'll just stream it to you then. I think the thing that we're gonna say now is that like, nah, everybody's gonna have everything. Like we just gotta make sure at least in in their game files, everybody's got everything, and we're just gonna periodically update that in a way that's most flexible to us, and also doesn't mean that we have to like gate players as much as in that way. Because to your point, like the only time that this new content is ever going to be available is when that update changes, right? So like we'd never really be in a situation where like you join a lobby and then like it gets updated and then you didn't stream it because like you would be connected to Spacetime, you would see the change, you would stream those things in the background, and you would be ready. If we can look at that, I think that's the process to your point about performance, that we should investigate that streaming process and see like, does that cause problems? Because I think we'll have far more control over the speed and like load of that task than this one.
Yeah. I'm down to go that approach. I think either way, like it is a very live ops question that like we have to pick right now for how we load parts, right? Because it affects so much later.
Yeah, literally.
So yeah, I mean like to start testing, I think is our best bet. Because like all of this is just what we think. I don't actually know what I'm talking about yet because
Yeah.
I haven't experienced it, right? So, I mean, for us to like try it out, I think is, like just in a small way to kick a
Yeah.
build and just to get clarity
Yeah.
on like how bad is the load time, right? Like, do I
Yeah.
get an hourglass? Like, is it actually like, oh, that's really bad? And
Yeah.
we have to, yeah, do that at the beginning, and it's like you'll wait 15 seconds and then it's all good.
Yeah.
Or is it, hey, it's like I didn't notice, right?
Mhm.
And if I didn't notice, well, then maybe we can like try the over the air option 3 and tolerate some synchronous loads for this edge case. So yeah, just gotta try shit.
Yeah. So I think we need to link up on setting up like essentially a stream event um, at some point where we can just like I'll like in a maybe just on a button press or something I'll set it up where like I'll we let's just pack a CCD with like a bunch of parts like imagine like 10 or 15 whatever, and I'll just like hit the button and we'll do like I'll add a block here because it's under my to-do right now for the addressables manager for like streaming all those assets in and like an async task that just like streams them all in, and we'll play the game, we'll like build the game. I think it'd be a good time to try and sync that up with the build that I think is updated with like the fixed driving and like all the shit that we currently have, so that we can kind of simulate a lot of stuff in the game, hit that button, and then like stream it and just see. Because that's just the first half, right? That's just like I'm streaming all this stuff onto the device, putting it into the disk, and making it available. Like no spawn has been called, basically. And if we can make that process kind of silky smooth, then I feel like I can consider this problem like 80 to 90% solved. Because then, to your point, it is just a live ops issue of like running that, process in whatever tempo or on like whatever discrete case or anything, and maybe breaking it up, or how do we stack our content releases, and like do we batch it, do we do all that kind of shit, I think that can be fine. Okay, well that's mostly addressables. On the local side, it's very normal. The object pooling is simplified in comparison to what it was last time because we don't have to think about as many edge cases. Everything is addressable. The one additional thing I've added is if for whatever reason we load an asset synchronously that we didn't preload, like let's say for instance this example that we just talked about, we stream a bunch of assets into the game, but because it was after we had launched the game, we didn't preload them, but they're tagged preload, right? We'll load that thing synchronously the first time and then like load it into a hot cache if it's got the right tag. And yeah, that's this. And then like the question for us, I think, especially in this new environment where we kind of have everything, is what do we consider preloaded and what do we not consider preloaded? I think it's worth doing an assessment of like, I'm gonna go through all of the assets in our current project, like all the capsules, all the parts. I'm gonna make them all addressable. I'm gonna create a build group called like preload, and I'm just gonna like gut shot, like, you know, if I were to preload capsules and then like in parts, like how big that's gonna be. Because if it's only like a couple of megabytes, fuck it, it's all going into memory. Like we're just gonna preload everything. Like we're gonna synchronously load like a handful of things, like maybe environmental props and stuff that like we don't really care a whole lot about, but like parts, like fucking FX explosions, all that shit that we want nice and snappy, we're throwing that all in. But if it seems like it's gonna be big, then we need to be a little bit more discreet. So yeah, that's like the second half of this equation. Also, I don't know if you did work on, if you were able to do work on this yet, but I changed the addressable key updater. I just did a system where you take the file name and then you take the first 6 digits of the GUID and you make that a suffix, and that'll be like, we can name and shit whatever the fuck we want because the GUID is a Unity thing, right? So
okay, but is
works.
it immutable in the fact that like once we make a part, that addressable key will never change?
Yeah, because the GUID on the, as long as we don't delete, if we delete the asset, right? Like the prefab, and then create a new one, then the key will change. Because it's the it's the GUID, but like, that's what Unity's registry gives it. But that GUID never changes. Project to project, person to person.
Yeah.
That never changes.
Okay. That's good. Okay, so I mean, if I'm ever going to save that, like for users' inventories, right? Like,
Yeah.
I haven't fleshed out the shape, but I'm thinking there's going to be like a bunch of rows of basically part entries.
Right.
And at some point, there's going to be an addressable ID, right?
Yeah.
I need that ID to never change once I put that in here, or else, like, if it does, things will break.
Okay. In which case, then I can even ditch the prefix, like the base name side of it, because that could change. And I could just only work with the GUID and like maybe even throw it in a hash if I want to. But like the GUID is a hash already, so I could just make it the GUID.
Actually, okay, so you know how you have that addressables updater?
Yeah.
Basically, there just needs to be another editor tool that updates like the part catalog. Yeah, like this. So like this asset info is a struct of like Unity stuff.
Right.
Like how many megabytes is this? What's the name?
Right.
And the addressable key. So that addressable key, like, as long as whatever you click to update it in Unity updates whatever row is here in spacetime, I'm totally fine with it.
But doesn't that need to happen when we build the new version of the thing?
Yes. So like there's the question of like a staging database for this,
right,
and a production database, and like how do we keep those things in parity? Again, that's really a live ops question. As long as we can make sure that when we change it, we can update it in space-time in some way, we can make that happen at the right time.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Well, in which case then I'll keep things as they are, and we can link up on like, because I haven't done any of the reducer shit at all really yet, so I would need a little some tips on working with spacetime. But
yeah, it's like a whole different flow. I could show you, because you have to kind of like open the project a little differently to get to this file. And like, it's some shit, but we
Yeah.
could talk about that when we need to. I think all of this, as long as it works in Unity, we can save that data for persistence in space time in some way.
Right. Okay. Well, all right. So in which case, I think my next steps are I am going to simulate like a stream. I'm gonna just first package like all the addressables things into a group, just get a look at the group size and like all the dependencies and stuff, and just see how that all shakes out. And if it seems like it's not gonna be I'm gonna like try and do some rough mental math, and because I think we have enough assets to like consider an average in terms of like size. So I'm gonna like do some rough mental math of like, all right, of the 85 parts and the 15 cars that we have, like if we made all those things fucking addressable and put them all into one group and preloaded all of them, how big would that be? And then if we 20x that number, like how big would that be? And if I'm comfortable with that, then we might just go with the simplest route, which is everything's fucking in RAM, which would be pretty cool, but I doubt it. I think there'll probably be some stuff that gets left behind and gets synchronously loaded, which is totally fine as long as we have the asset, which we will. Well, cool. In which case, I feel a lot better. I think when I was working with the on the assumption that we're gonna try and stream things on demand too, there was a lot of annoying things with the assumption that I was making that we could check everything you don't have in a lobby when you join it. It would be really hard / verging on impossible to preempt this instantiate call with any logic. To basically like
Wait, one more time.
Yeah.
You're saying we need to track
we don't.
every object in
We
every.
don't. Yeah, we don't.
Okay.
Like
Gotcha.
I was worried that like that it was we were gonna have that problem, but we're fine. Because if we're not doing it on demand, like there's no need to do that basically. There would be no reason. Yeah. So yeah, we're good there.
Solid.
But yeah, okay. So let's talk about merging really quick. I can technically, and I think should, merge this addressables like manager and the delegate stuff with somebody, either with staging or to create a new like basis. Mostly because it doesn't really, it's not gonna, everything doesn't need to be addressable. Like it's not gonna break anything. Because the delegate is not, it's a dynamic component. Like it's real time dependent. So, like if it's not in the scene, it's not gonna do anything basically. So like the addressable shit, like right now, if we spawn anything, it'll get spawned normally. So it'll just be, so you have like all this updated stuff from me. Oh yeah, last thing I wanted to mention a bit of single entry point.
Right. I think
Yeah.
because you're doing some of this work, I initially started it, but It probably makes sense for you to do,
Yeah.
or for us to both talk about, because I have like a very specific way in my head that this game should start from. Like,
Yes.
there needs to be one scene and one start for this entire code base. They say that that is what true single entry point is.
Right.
And once we have that structure, it is very clear what does what, and now everything becomes a tree.
Right.
And we can kind of plot that tree and get very granular about the systems of our game. Like, where is FX coming? Where does sound come in? Where do these load screens come in? Where does loading stuff come in?
Yep.
So that whole process is probably really what we mean by scene transitions, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like that, like kind of core infrastructure of the loading of the game, that facilitates scene transitions. So like, yeah, we could definitely make a milestone and like get really clear about that, because that's super important. Yeah.
Word. Well, sweet, because yeah, like I think this like manager is a singleton that'll just have to sit in that like master scene or like single entry scene. And like the more I thought about it, there's definitely gonna be a few things that we're gonna need to just like make sure we can create that and put it in there and like set it up somewhat reliably. But yeah, so yeah, like I mean, like this whole synchronous thing is kind of shitty. It'll fuck with some of the things we want to do for Get Set Go. Like transitions between stages. Originally, I was thinking it was just gonna be like a queued async process, and we like spawn all these things in the background behind some hidden loading screen and then transition. But it now seems like that's just not really possible, because a lot of those things are real-time objects and they can't, So I've thought about a couple of different things, from like Get Set Go is like a giant prefab that we spawn in, and like it's got everything in it with all the teams and all the sections, like get, set, and go. It's all just spawned in, and it's like a heavy initial like load, and then it's just we're just enabling and disabling shit after that. But I don't know, like it's somewhat upsetting. It kind of fucks with the transitions in Go a lot. So we just gotta figure it out. But we'll
Single entry point thing. It is a milestone here, and like I did make a issue, and I did link to that video that I was talking about.
When we first opened the game,
Yeah, this video is really good about like actually how to just load the shit in the game. It doesn't even really go into like play. It's just like how we init the game. So I think we should structure it based off of that. But I could kind of assign that to you, because it's kind of more in your line of work at the moment. So yeah. But for code, who has code to merge? I know KT, you have the like working vehicle, but also my bad. Like I think
yes,
I know KT, you have the like working vehicle, but also my bad. Like I think
yes,
yeah, I think us getting that in staging and then getting that on everybody's branches, it for me is like that's the first order.
Okay.
Second is like anything else that we want to merge on top of that, or from that, I think is good. I have some stuff for matchmaking, like it's not going to be in the line of work, but I think also I have some space-time stuff and just like new packages for like managing, just kind of like the live ops stuff that we all need. So like after, I can just kind of integrate your changes and then push that back up so we can all have it. And then I think that's all I'm like requiring. Rook, if you want to merge what you have, I think also that could go before or after. It's all good, but yeah, that's like what I'm trying to merge today.
Yeah, word. Um, yeah, why don't we run
And then
through?
Akon, I know you also have a demo. Is that today, or did you want to push that a few days?
Yeah, I have a UI that's like a more scalable thing that could replace the like spawning UI that we're using right now.
Okay,
Um, it just doesn't look that great. I was trying a bunch of stuff. I can talk about it later, but yeah, I think by Friday I can have like a new UI that everybody can be using for like playtesting. Um, yeah.
got you. Friday, solid. Okay, so yeah, just those three things is like the goal. But yeah, we can kind of just go from there.
Word. Okay. Well, in which case, I've thrown some things up onto my branch. How shall we proceed? I can be the merge.
Our
Victim
last merge
today.
was to staging latest, right?
Staging period.
Or staging proper.
Yeah, I think staging proper. Or
No,
staging
staging
preview.
preview.
Yeah, staging preview.
Yes.
That's right.
So if we can update that, because I just need, it's like we need the etiquette of like, this is where we just push code to once we think it's ready.
Yeah.
Even before kind of code review. I think code review is really to get a clean staging branch between all of us,
Yeah.
and that will later become production. And I need that staging branch for like the live op stuff that I have to do. So like once we get this staging with all of our stuff, then we can start to think about like kicking a build and testing some of the remote stuff. But yeah, like wherever we want to push to, I think staging preview is fine. That's just where we push like the first piece of code, and then we all pull from there and we just go from there.
Right. Sounds good. Yeah, that makes sense. So I think we had pushed the staging preview because that was the one with it had the bug driving. So if KT, you have the fix to the bug driving, I think it'd be worth doing a push, a merge to staging preview where you like take all
Yep.
your conflicts, and then I could like merge down from staging preview or like merge up to staging preview. But we can I think it's worth figuring out a system for that side. Test,
Sure.
all that same shit.
All right, I can do that. Merge, option for screen. I'll do that. Merge from this branch to staging preview. Oh, there's no conflict.
Well, that's good.
Well, hand mode selector added. Driving bug fixed. There is one more mode. Right. There is one more bug on driving, but like something I need to gate is that when you're on vehicle, you should disable the grapple.
Oh.
Because grapple, when you, every time you finish grapple or like failed a grapple, the character controller has to be turned back on. Like it's in the logic of the code that it's turned back on automatically. So it doesn't know if the character doesn't know whether or not it's on the vehicle. Turning the character controller back on will kick you off the vehicle.
Right. Yeah, makes sense.
So unless we can figure out like that stabilizer approach where we don't have to use the alternative character controller. Until then, we have until then we have to disable grappling on the beam.
Another reason why we should I'm bitching out about it because I've tried making a character controller like 3 times now and I hate it. But I think we need to figure out either one, that works on the car and we could just work it off the car, or I need to figure out the stabilizer issue.
Yeah.
Because swapping in between the two is just like, it's not a viable strategy for the long run.
It's kind of ass. But yeah, that's the current state. All right, it's in preview.
Cool.
Cool, yeah. Work you could. You wanna like pull and push.
That's
right.
That was the smoothest merge I've ever had.
Well, congratulations. Oh, looks like it's the same for me. There's nothing really different. There's no conflicts.
Like all the
A lot of
conflicts
shit.
for me.
I just added a lot of scripts, so they should all be additive.
What did you add? What did you add? Like combat?
The selector logic for like the selector or prefab selector logic. I updated the VR sticky hand controller and some other. I did also update the input manager and the event bus, but those are just for the button press and release logic.
Gotcha.
You haven't seen it, right?
Well, what, the guns and all that stuff?
No, the selector, the end mode selector orbs.
Orbs.
Oh no, preview those. I remember you was talking about them.
Yeah, I'll show you guys right.
Interesting.
Akan has seen it today earlier.
Oh,
What the fuck?
is there a recompile that needs to happen here? Or are we just good?
What the shit?
There we
Where is the recompile? It doesn't say it's recompiled. Oh, there we go. Or not. Okay. Sick. So, right now, you can still cycle through your handles by pressing the button. That's like the old logic sit there. But if you hold down that same button, the modes, there's spheres now, will show up. And when you hover onto them, they will become bigger. And when you are like hovering onto one of them and release the button, it will switch your mode.
Wait, what?
That's dope.
Oh, that's cool.
So this is heal, shield, edit. So like this works even when you're like moving. It's parented to you, so it's not in world space, and you can do this on both your hands. So you can instantly imagine these spheres have like icons, so you actually know where you're going, what you're getting.
Is it
So,
based
like, for
on
example,
the
when
rotation
you're-
of your hand or arm or?
Yes, it's based on the position when this is spawned. So like, you see that? It's like around, and also like when we add new modes, into this, which I don't think it's going to happen fairly recently, but in case we do, this is calculated by script. I didn't manually put these on, so like when we add new modes, it's just gonna be 6 spheres around. So it's like smart.
That's cool.
Yeah, and
That's
you
tight.
can quickly switch modes by doing that.
Which button is it?
The same button. So you press it quickly, you loop through the modes. But if you hold it down, you can like once you get like really good at it, you can like do it pretty quickly.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
But anyways, so that's what I just pushed.
That's very, very cool.
I do need effects for all of that. I did show Edward, but he has his basket pretty full. He has his basket pretty full. Sorry?
Out here adding scope.
Yeah.
Now we talked about this. It's necessary.
happening.
You don't want to spam these buttons every time you want to go to next or previous modes. Especially given that there's like an edit mode. You don't want to go through that every time.
Just push
Yeah.
my shit up to stage preview. But yeah.
Did you test?
KT. Very, very, very good point.
Did I make a point? What was the point?
No, about like the switching modes, basically.
Oh, gotcha.
Just make sure KT's paste your sandbox. Is it like another script? What was it called?
And driving should be good, right? Like we didn't actually test. But
It's not pastry sandbox. It's safe build. It's in the safe build.
Oh,
Not
okay.
mine.
Yeah,
Just-
it's safe.
I'm just assuming driving works, but we should also.
Oh yeah, shit. My bad. You should test it on the preview branch.
Yeah, I'd like to do that. That was weird when I had no conflicts. I guess I haven't
You
changed.
shouldn't.
I haven't changed Patriot Sandbox in a minute, so
Yeah.
that makes sense. Okay, well I'll switch to preview.
Fuck, I got all the conflicts.
You will. You're gonna have.
Holy
Yeah,
shit, I
yeah.
have all of the conflicts. All right, these are adjustables. These are mine.
Oh yeah, that's actually a good point. Well, you did some work with addressables. There's like the groups. There's like the folder.
Yeah, so I made these groups and I connected them to CCD.
Yeah. You
So,
take all your
yeah.
shit. Yeah, take all your
Yeah.
shit with that.
I'll
I
have
didn't do
to.
any of that shit. I just wrote some shit. That was it. So.
Something about the combat that I have to do is knowing that because we're gonna swap out the hand models. That has to be networked, so I have to make network sync for those shit for different hand modes. But yeah, I can only do that when I have the art.
Right, which makes sense. Yeah, it's gonna be a that's gonna be a tizzy for how you want to do that actually, because
Yeah.
if you do it based on enable or disable, well, I guess it's just enable or disable on model change.
Yeah. That's a lot of conflicts.
Okay, VIS. Not a lot of changes. These might be mine, but I also see some changes here. Stabilizer stuff.
Oh yeah, that was when I wrote some stabilizer shit back in. Which one's which?
This one is mine. It basically adds. I had to copy. We basically have two new versions of the real-time avatar and the real-time avatar manager script that are our own version, not Normcore's, because we needed to make one field settable, pretty much.
Oh, okay.
So, and we needed to get the reference, and it wouldn't let us use that.
Yes, because it's in the package.
Yeah, it was fucking dumb. So
Yeah.
basically, we made our own copy, which is identical. But that's kind of my only change, and it does change like the vehicle prefabs on my end, just to like update this thing. But I don't know what else changed here. This is what's on staging 3.
Yeah, there's. Well, the only thing you need to do is you could just.
Copy this
I mean, you
and put it here.
I mean, you don't really need to do it, to be honest. I mean, we don't even have stabilizers set up right now, but you can if you
so
want
like,
to. Yeah.
I don't need, but like if I take my version, this goes away.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
No.
I can
Yeah.
I can just figure it out. I can just put it back in later and just figure it out later.
All right.
Because it's like, I don't know if it works. It's under the group of shit that doesn't really work at the moment.
I think same thing here. Real-time avatar manager. Yeah, I think these are pretty much the same.
Yeah. Actually, I could probably like
this is the same call. It just got moved up here for some reason.
Yeah.
So yeah, need that. Old steering wheel. I don't know what this is.
We don't use it.
I'm gonna take yours because I didn't touch it. I don't know.
Sure. Either way, we're not using it.
And then pastry sandbox. That's y'all. The avatar.
Gotta take mine.
Okay. I think I have some changes. So.
Oh. Do you remember what you changed?
I don't. I don't. But I should take yours because it's for combat, right? And there's a lot more.
Is that the local
changes.
one? Is that the local one or the network one?
This is the network one.
Network one.
Yeah.
So
For combat, right?
that's mainly health, like the hitbox and shit.
Let me see, what did I change? Oh yeah, I added a script. No, I could just add my back. I'll take yours.
What is that script?
Basically, we have to use our copy of real-time avatar and not the norm core copy of real-time avatar. Yeah.
What is that?
To actually find the reference, because we can't get this reference because this script is like an internal package, so we can't really use it in code. And when you connect to a new room, we have to like basically reconnect your head and legs when your new avatar spawns in. Yeah, so we need our own.
Okay.
But yeah, it's simple. I can do it, so I'll take it.
All three variants are incredibly unique. The sounds they all make, the inspects, the finishes, it's perfect. This is Valorant's top 5 operator skin.
This is Carl Sand.
Pantech. I did not touch this.
Yeah, this is probably me.
So you rigged up the Pantech?
Not specifically. But but I did change the script on the vehicles that like updated all the vehicle prefabs with that script. So
Makes sense.
yeah, I think I could just take that.
Sandoval.
Okay, one more.
No way.
Tags.
Watch what
I
happened
added
after
a
the
tag.
expert
Did
was
anyone
actually
add
the
a
guy
tag?
who made the guitar.
It's a 1979 Carl Sandoval custom built plane.
All right. Well, it's
Okay, my tag is very
Sandoval. It says
simple.
1979 on the back of it.
Yeah.
Was this ever repainted or anything like that?
No, I think
No.
it was custom built.
How much did you want for it?
4,500.
I'm going to call somebody up who will know more about this guitar than I would. This is Carl Sandoval.
No way.
Okay, we've got the fender bridge, 6 inline tuners, and toggle switch.
So it's definitely yours and it's definitely one of a kind.
Absolutely. Would you like to know what I would charge for one of these if I build it right now?
How much that? Yeah, sure.
You're looking at about $7,000.
Once again, what do you want for this thing?
45, I think is fair. How about a starting decision?
Right.
All music.
Great.
I built this pawn shop on starving musicians. All right, tell you what, we'll
What?
$3,700.
You merged.
I just graduated from my... This motherboard looks so simple. On top of this motherboard...
So combat with edit mode and selector.
8 GPUs.
Nah, I gotta write my shit.
200 gigabits per second. State-of-the-art networking chip.
Well, yeah, I merged your
Next, 8
changes,
of these
but
GPUs.
then when I push it back up, I have to
Blackwell
merge it. So that is a
RTX
bit.
Pro 6000 GPUs. Brand new, just entered into production. 8 of these go into a server. Now what makes it special? This server is the only server in the world that runs everything the world has ever written and everything NVIDIA has ever developed. It runs AI, Omniverse, RTX,
Anything else?
video
Oh,
games,
new,
it runs Windows, it runs Linux, it runs Kubernetes, it runs Kubernetes in VMware, it runs basically everything. Everything the world's ever developed should run on here, including, if you're a video gamer, including Crysis. This motherboard...
Where's the method?
Yeah, well, that's where I ran into trouble. What kind of trouble? Not so easy. They got it locked down tight.
So these thieves,
I gotta make sure shit
where they
works.
stealing it from.
Chemical supply locked down tight.
So these thieves,
I gotta make sure shit
where they
works.
stealing it from.
Chemical supply place out.
Pastry
in town.
sandbox. It's what, safe build, not safe
They
build.
built.
How are we gonna do
Safe.
They
that?
built.
With this.
We need better games.
Thermite.
I'd argue that this is one of the better names that we have.
Germans had an artillery base that's the biggest in the world.
I
We
feel
should look
like
at
we
the
need
avatars.
unique names
The Gustav was capable of
for
firing
these
It's,
seasons.
it's only going to be unique for the first time. The second time it becomes the unique name plus a 1. And then it becomes the unique name plus KT. And then it becomes unique name plus safe build.
It
And
just
then-
needs to become a new scene name entirely. Because these names don't matter. They're just like file names as long as
That's
we're not
Avina's
using it.
got the right system, which is just numeric.
yes.
No,
yes,
we're on
yes.
22 right now. Yeah, you just type 22, you find my scene. I have to type in pastry sandbox, and then there's 2 options.
That's fair. That's fair.
And then I have to read.
Yeah, rename all of that.
Yeah.
Make it 23. Oh,
How embarrassing. My headset is dead. It does not charge at all. I hate
my
AirLink.
headset is always on my computer, so it's never dead.
I know, but I just started using AirLink, and it's so nice. But
Bad
I
idea.
have to like plug it in. No, like the development experience is great, but everything
It
else.
never works for me. How
No,
did you
I-
get it to work?
So I have Ethernet now on my computer, and
Oh
that
shit!
was yeah, like you have to You have to have Ethernet. Like that's the difference.
Yeah, I think my problem is that I don't have fast enough internet. I think you need like gigabit to make it work. Because I do have Ethernet, and it's like works sometimes, and then it just decides I'm done.
I'm also like maybe like 20 feet from my router, and like shit, I don't know. It's perfect for me, other than this one charging issue, because like it doesn't charge even if I plug it in, and I'm on it. So I cannot test this right now. All I want to test is that basically the pastry sandbox seed works, and that my portal's 22 seed works.
Don't you have to add that thing back to your network avatar or something?
I do. I have to add some other shit too. I have to add the fucking tags back. Skip the whole step. Wait, this has your tags, right? The ones you added?
Yes.
Me? Oh.
No, they're not tags. They're labels. It's different.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
No, not the. Wait, labels? Wait, what?
Just forget everything I just said. Don't worry about it. It's probably talking about something else.
Yeah, no. I just merged, right?
Yeah.
And the tag manager definitely changed. Hand mode UI, shield, network hitbox, network miss. I just want to make sure those are.
Oh yeah, I think those are KTs.
Yeah, but I just merged it, so I should see that shit, right? Or else when I merge this back, it'll be gone.
Yes? Question mark?
Yeah, I don't see it. That's why.
Are you sure? Well, then it could be in layers. So because tag manager can also mean for layers.
You
There you
are
go.
absolutely correct.
Wait, tag manager slaves. Wait, what?
Tag manager also includes layers.
23 miles. You could drop bombs
It's
on
confusing as fuck, but it's how it is.
But
And what?
Commando, one man,
No.
just a bag of this, and he could melt right through 4 inches of solid steel and destroy that gun forever. So yes, I think it will cut through any lock we're likely to find. Where's the methyl man?
Yeah, well, that's what.
So for 50,000, you won't build me my.
So Mr. Haley admitted shooting it. Yes, sir.
We need to get rid of some layers.
This is Valorant's top 5 Phantom skins
It's
according
getting
to you, the
out of
viewers. I run a poll with every Phantom in the game to let
By the
you
end of this,
decide.
we're gonna
In
have
5th place
50
with
layers.
5.7% of the total votes
30 of
is the
them
Miss
we
Blue
don't need.
Phantom, with Neo Frontier, Nocturnum, and Spectrum barely behind it. And honestly, it's a very valid choice for a very pretty skin. In 4th place with 7.4% of the total votes is the Radiant Entertainment System Phantom. It's basically a 3-in-1 package, it's very fun, and this is deserved. In
You
3rd
need some
place with
Apex right now.
10.5% of the votes is the Champions 2024 Phantom. Riot killed it this year, so no surprises seeing the skin on the list. In 2nd place with 11.6% of the votes is the Oni
Realize
Phantom. People swear this skin
we've
is
not
overrated and
spending any
boring,
time
yet
on
it still
rematch.
ranks in 2nd.
This is
And in
sad.
1st place
I
with
want a refund.
19.3% of the total votes is the Recon Phantom.
I want
For
to
some
refund
reason,
my
this skin hits,
$50.
and it hits damn hard.
I
This is
played it
Valorant's
solo. That's I've only played by myself. It's great.
I know. I was like, I'm ready now. My other fucking full-time job is
Your
over.
pursuit for Valorant is done. Chris actually hit plat. How long did it take you guys?
You want to? Let me. Considering, because fuck it, why not? I will show you the
match history.
the journey that I went on, the spiritual journey that I went on to get this shit done.
I remember it was like 2 o'clock, 2:40 something.
Yeah, it was like 3. It was
I
like
did
4.
it. I did it.
And I want to be like, oh yeah, I'm all nonchalant about it. It's just business, but nah, bro, it was an experience. It's a weird thing it's always a weird thing playing ranked on rank up day, right? Like it always is. Like or like rank, you know, like the end of the rank split, right? Because everybody's stressed.
People are crazy.
It's a combination of stress, but then there's always a shitload of Smurfs who will just play on that day, right? Because maybe they've gotten to their account already. They don't want to play ranked on their account because they don't want to rank down, you know?
Yeah. They just do it on the low level.
Yeah. So, you know, that is always kind of fucking crazy. But it's just this hilarious mixture of like you would play with a guy who is insane, or you'd play against people who were just fucking insane, and you'd just be swinging KD left and right. And but hold on, let me load it up and I'll show you.
Yeah. Is Chris done with Valorant as well?
No.
Bro wants to reach epic or something.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a goal now, but I think he's just like
getting good at it, and he doesn't want to give up.
Yeah, it's a competitive game, you know, and it's fun playing a competitive game. All right, here we go. Oh right, yeah, we have the new map. I forgot about that. Fucking kind of cool.
Great.
It's supposed to be like it's like you can't ability spam. It's like a very Counter-Strike-y map, so it's just all about strategy.
Right.
Anyway, okay, so
did I see Valorant Go? That's great.
It's just like a anime thing or something. That's cool. Anyway, let me get sidetracked. Now I'm unranked again, so fuck. Right? But I got there, so nobody can ever take that away from me. So here was the so wait, can I?
Yeah, select rank mode.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Let me go to Valorant match history. Competitive. Here we go. Okay, so Yes, this is the day we start out. So I start playing by myself here. So my very first game, 14-12. So like very emotional game. We like start out 0-9, something like that, right?
Oh.
Fight it all back. Second game seems like a breeze, like, 13-6, like things go pretty well, right? Like, all right, we're chilling, right?
Yep. Chilling.
I don't do amazing, so I only get like 14 points,
Yep.
Third game, 14-14 draw. Again, we start out like
You could have won that game.
no. We start out getting pissed on. Like I started out 0-10 basically.
Yeah.
And we just fought it back. The next game, we do get pissed on. This is where by the way, all these games, it's just like we're trading Smurfs. There's like people at the top getting like 30 kills or some shit like that. This game, it's like 3 of the 4 guys on the other team go for 30. We get like nothing each. No, wait, that's not even this game. This game was just a bad game. It just ends badly. These two were like really, really chill. This game, 13-7. The only reason it should have been 13-2, but the only reason it wasn't was because somebody in the team was trying to get a knife kill, and we just decided to throw 7 rounds so that they could. But it allowed me to get more kills, which was nice. This game we get absolutely pissed on. That was the one where like the other team had like 50 kills. I was like second in my team or something like that, and I had 6 kills. I mean, it was that bad. This game, the Lotus game, there was a dude on our team who only shot with the Marshall. Only. He never shot with anything else. He never shot with anything else.
It's
He
like
only
one
shot
of
with
those.
Marshall.
It's one of those people that only buy Scout in Counter-Strike.
Yeah.
Deagle and Scout.
Yeah.
All the way through.
That was it. And he was top fragging with it too, which is hilarious.
That's great.
But he just sucked at the game.
Wow.
Oh, no, he didn't suck at the game. He was just like, he literally said, it wasn't like he was trying to do a challenge or something. Everybody on the team was getting pissed off at him for doing it. And he was like, nah, I'm just like, I'm like not good with the other guns. And he was right. He wasn't good with the other guns. And then after like played 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 games of Valorant. Basically about like 3 or 4 hours worth of Valorant, right? Because some of these went the distance. Like most of these went the distance, right? And I had made backwards progress. I was back to the beginning of Silver 3, basically.
That's encouraging.
And I was like, I'm gonna keep. I was literally prepared to play until it was tomorrow, and like officially tomorrow, and I would play throughout I was gonna get it. And I think once you start playing ranked at like 3 in the morning, I think the strat is if you're gonna play ranked, just play at like 3 in the morning, because if you play and you get whatever teams you get, if you just talk to them and everybody's willing to chat, like you just have an edge, I think, because it's 3 in the fucking morning, So I won like 6 straight after that, and that was like enough to just push me over the edge. But this last game that I actually ranked up in, this 13-3 here, there was a guy smurfing in the game that peaked Ascendant. Ascendant, which is the top rank in Valorant.
What?
Yeah, he was boosting his friend in the game, and he was on our team. He was like,
that's great.
Let's talk about smurfing. Is like,
prime smurfing.
But everybody in these games was smurfing. Like it was literally it was a fucking smurf fest in every single one of the games. Like And then yeah, like to technically yesterday was the actual end of the split. This game where I sent the screenshot from was why the fuck is it like? Can I scroll down? Like actually scroll down.
That's the entire scoreboard.
There it is. Okay, yeah. So the wait, this is nah. I don't want it in terms of teams. Let me go back to Valorant. Because I do have this one. This fucking game right here. So these were the real players. Like, these were
you included.
These were the actual, like, this is the real ranks. All these fuckers were like they were all plat
and above
and diamond and immortal. Like they were all like this Jet was cracked out of his fucking mind. Like he was at least immortal. Like it's like it was you had no chance. You could not miss. Like if he and so was this race cracked out of their fucking minds. Yeah, like it's like this is all just Smurfs. Everybody up here was fucking Smurfs.
Chris, I see Chris in that list.
Yeah, Chris was playing out of his fucking mind. Chris realized that he was like, oh, like this Jet is like cracked at the fucking game and these are all Smurfs. So he was like, I'm actually gonna fucking lock in. Like the reason I played KJ was like we won a game and we were like, oh, let's just have like a dumb round. Like let's just play for fun. So I was gonna play the person I'd never played before. And then it's like we jump in and then we start the game like I started 0-10, I think. And we go like 0 for 6 in the rounds and Chris is like, no, all right, I'm gonna lock the fuck in, and then he just goes off like and so it was so bad. I was typing in chat. I was like, because there was a point where I was like 1 for 12, and I was just defusing the bomb. Like that was all I was doing. Or I would just like come in and defuse after they killed everybody, and I was like, I'm doing my part, guys. I'm doing my part. I did get the winning kill though. It was a 1v2 to clutch the game, 10-12. So
well, that's enough.
I
that's
did my
enough
part.
for
I did my part.
For forgiveness.
Yeah, but this shit was all kinds of fucked, man.
Crazy.
It was bad. So yeah, that was I don't recommend doing that. I don't recommend chasing a rank for that amount of time, but I had to do it. Job had to be done.
We can do the same thing over for Counter-Strike.
No.
And face it.
Definitely.
Everybody face it. Yes.
Nah, we gotta do the same thing in
rematch. Because I've been watching all the videos on the competitive tech and rematch. Like I'm doing my study sessions. I know about the long lobs into center box with a pre-queued power shot. I know about the self lob power shot and how that's different than the normal shot because it's actually harder.
All right.
Yeah, dude,
I've been playing solo and just trying to rainbow flick it to header to shoot it in the goal, and it's never worked.
Dude, what you gotta. So there's a difference between. We could do it right now. There's a difference between running. There's a difference between shooting normally and then shooting off of the extra effort. So extra effort, the shot is faster. So
get with the program, Kevin.
So the basically the combos that you do, for instance, is you'll do like rainbow flick, short self lob, extra effort. You'll like tap the extra effort, and then like jump shoot, and that like is like a power shot that's like really fast and direct, and it's like harder to save.
Got you.
Up on. Let's do it right now.
All right, wait. Did you merge this a minute, by the way?
No, because I can't test yet because my shit's dead. So I got a wall charger. It's charging in the wall. Let's run this.
Yeah, let's just do it. Like a fucking controller.
Pick up the sticks.
Yeah, I have seen a lot of the competitive players do that. They've all started to do mouse and key though, so it's like
That's
Yeah.
great.
it has become a mouse and key game, which makes sense because a lot of the crazy
It is.
combos are it's all about changing
It's just
direction.
too hard.
You have to
Yeah,
change.
it's too hard to do controller.
It's the classic mouse and key thing where it's about changing your view direction is what gives you crazy movement, you know, and that's just impossible on sticks.
Have they fixed the aim to shoot or like aim to pass on mouse and key?
Aim to pass. Oh, that's.
It's like the aiming's all fucked up.
Oh, right, because the key you have to input on each key. I don't know actually. That's a good question.
Alright, we're switching modes. We're unplugging the Quest 3, plugging in the Switch Pro controller.
Switch Pro controller. What made you buy that? Like, what is the motivation behind that?
I bought a Switch Pro.
Oh, you did? You bought the Switch too?
No, I got a Switch. Remember we played on it?
Oh, like what, a while ago?
Yeah, and I just got the Pro
I thought
controller.
I thought you bought a new one.
Nah, if I was gonna get one for PC, I would want an Xbox controller. But actually, it's a nice controller.
But honestly,
Really good build
like the
quality.
elite controllers for
It's not
Xbox
bad,
or
yeah.
PlayStation, like with the paddle shifting, I think you'll actually be able to do like a lot of the combos in rematch pretty easily. So controller, I think, is still viable.
I just haven't played a competitive game on controller since like COD in like high school.
Yeah.
Time. My stick action is not where it needs to be.
Also, I've been watching a lot of these videos. I've realized that my like fashion game in this fucking game, like there's a lot of potential. I need to completely change my thought process. Even with like the basic shit that we currently have, like there's so much shit you could do. I don't know why my initial thought was like, I'm gonna do like Jiraiya and not like Gojo or something like that, but you know.
Gojo.
But I saw somebody in like all black tights and barefoot, and I was like, that's kind of fucking sick.
Brooke, join the squad.
I think I did, didn't I?
Are you the cat?
Yeah.
What's the header key again?
Where's the pond?
Alright, wait, I'm here.
Bro. Wait, you're here.
I need the invite though from Kicken.
Yeah, I'll do that. Just add all of us to your Steam.
Yeah.
Are we all here?
Yeah.
Alright, we're all here. Good enough.
Alright, Forrest.
Yep. Oh, there is a 4v4. That's good.
Yeah, I like it better than 3v3 or 5v5 actually.
Yeah, alright. Okay.
I don't see anyone on the field.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Here we go.
You can pick it up with your hand when you pass back to your goalie.
Yeah. I know it's like a rule that doesn't exist in soccer, but. Oh yeah, hell yeah.
That's right. That's right. You're free.
Good shot. Good
Oh, no.
shot.
Oh, Minna.
Fucker. Let's go.
You are so free.
Shot. Let's go. Oh.
Theory can only take you so far. Bro.
I know. I've forgotten all the button inputs.
Oh,
I've only
there's,
watched videos. I haven't even forgotten. I've forgotten how to like fucking play the game now. I need to like remember what everything does.
Oh, bad pass.
That's actually a pretty good pass.
Whoa!
Let's go.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Fucker.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
That's right.
We are thinking the same thing. Oh, there we go.
That's right.
Pass, middle.
The wall.
That was almost pretty sick.
I can't shoot. I'm so bad. There we go.
But
That's crazy. What the fuck?
Keep
Yours, keeper.
let's go.
Oh, my fault. Hey, nice.
You got a KT?
These shoes are.
Oh, what
What
the?
was
Dude,
that?
what the fuck is the pass? I don't understand.
Good
Nice.
shit, Nakan. Holy fuck.
Thank you. Options.
Here.
To me.
Oh, nice pass.
Thank you.
Like, what the fuck is the pass? I'm facing him. I'm
Fuck.
pressing W.
It's fuckers. Nice. Oh, out of gas.
Oh.
There you go,
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Oh, that was
We're
close.
good. We're good.
We're good.
Nice.
See? That's what. I'm
See?
so fucking.
Objectively, it
Let's
doesn't look
go.
like you're looking that
Let's go.
direction.
Let's go.
What?
Fuck.
Oh fuck.
Bro, stay with it. It's hard.
Whoa.
Bruh, that was close.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh!
Oh no.
Let see.
Oh, he missed.
Nice.
Let's
Oh,
go.
nice.
Let's go. I said
That's
she
right.
was.
That's right.
Oh!
But
No, it's not. It was good. It was good
Oh.
thought. Good thought. Good thought. Oh hell yeah!
Nice. Yeah, you got that rainbow flick down.
Oh, nasty. I'm open. I'm open.
let's go.
Hey!
Oh. My bad.
Oh, dude, this is beautiful.
Oh, that's great.
I tricked him. That's a
Yo,
beautiful
Kevin.
pass, too.
When did you equip
Yep.
the try-hard haircut?
I know, for real.
The tryhard what?
The try-hard haircut, bro.
How is that the try? That's a standard cut. That's what I have on my head.
So what are you trying to say?
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh,
Got it.
you have it.
Oh no!
Oh, man!
Finish! Oh my god!
Go! Kill goalkeeper!
Oh, wait. Oh, okay.
I'll switch back. I can switch back.
Alright.
Oh.
Yeah, alright. Nice.
Oh,
We
by the way,
are
there's this
everywhere.
There's this thing called dolphin running, which is where you just input the dive, and it's slightly faster.
Bro, they're shooting.
Oh, nice.
What the fuck are we doing?
Like, you just input the dolphin thing every time, and he
Go,
goes
go, go.
slightly faster.
See?
Bro.
I told you! The pass is fucked up!
Ah, the sad part is I'm a controller.
Ooh! Oh, imagine.
No, imagine.
Yeah, I have to admit, I think what we need to do is we need to spend a day just like on the practice field and like learn all the fucking inputs.
Go.
Oh, ow.
I'm out of gas.
You got this.
Ooh!
Bruh, my bad.
Alright, 5,
Shit, play
4.
for top, play for top.
Yoo-hoo!
Oh, this fucker. Okay.
Nice.
Nice. Good shit.
Yes!
Nice.
First W.
What?
You do definitely have the try-hard haircut, K2.
How is this a tryout? I don't get it.
It's 100% the try-hard.
Bro, go on r/rematch. You'll get clowned.
Alright, when it done? Or
I mean, is your shit charged?
let me check.
I don't know.
Great question.
We hop on as a 4 just to play one game.
It's true.
That's criminal.
It's true.
Especially when these games last 2 minutes.
Ah, damn, the Gojo is locked behind a fucking paywall. That sucks. They knew what they were
There's a
doing.
Gojo hairstyle?
Yeah, this one scales. That's
Let
pretty
me
much.
see.
That's pretty much his hair.
I should say 3%.
We go
Get
again.
another one.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. So this is pretty much it. I feel like I could recreate. We could recreate Gojo pretty easily.
Scales.
Yeah, in the hair. Oh wait, it's earnable. I forgot. Yeah, like in time, I will get it.
Why are you obsessed with Gojo?
No, I was just thinking about fucking characters I could do in this character select screen. Like when it's generic like this, it's more fun to just make a, you know, like some other guy from some other kind of, just make a, you know, like some other guy from some other kind of, go and with like when I saw the dude who did like all black with the turtleneck and like barefoot, I was like, oh dude, this has to happen.
Oh.
Oh yeah, KT. Oh, what a dig! What a dig!
Dude, that's crazy.
What a dig! Alright. We out here.
Got it. I just fucking. Oh shit.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not super good at
Well-
playing the ball off the air into like my feet yet. I don't really. It's like I don't quite get it. Ooh.
Oh, this keeper. God damn.
Ooh.
He knows how to save.
Nice.
Oh, what?
Uh-oh.
It looked like you were saving, and then it just went past you. It was weird.
Oh, my bad.
No, that's
How did that go in?
Dude, misread.
oh.
Oh.
Terrible misread.
So we're gonna get ourselves out of this deficit. I like it. A bit of assert dominance.
Get the keeper to come off the line. Let's go. Yeah, shots.
What the fuck? It's outside the fucking box.
All right, we got
He
4
grabbed
and 3
the
back here.
he grabbed the ball
Nice.
outside of the box.
You got a minute? Nice. So there is also a whole thing about priority, which I didn't know, which has to do with all like the netcode stuff for this game, which you can get priority by being in certain scenarios. Which is
I'm
like-
fucking done with passing.
It's like how you
I will
win,
not pass again.
It's like how you win the ball, basically.
Oh damn.
So like in that case, he got priority.
All right.
But it's like kind of a gameable thing.
Shit.
Ooh, Jesus Christ.
I would just press shoot from now on.
Bro, how did that go through me? Nice.
I'm a beast.
Alright, we got 2 back here. Appreciate the
Oh,
defense.
I thought that went in.
Yeah, it's actually apparently not a bad thing to do in low ranks, which is just volley the keeper's pass back to the keeper.
Yeah.
Like, he might miss it. Good shit.
Number 4 thinks he's open.
No, he's not. I am very open.
See, that was priority, where it's like weird. It's like because I didn't do a skill, or like, and I was just like running, even though he really didn't tackle me. It's like the game's just like, yeah, he did.
Oh, that's right.
Nice.
Yeah, shit.
Oh my god,
what?
no! I knew he's gonna do that. Oh, wait.
Oh fuck, I fucked that up. That's not good.
Fuck.
Oh no!
No!
Nice
Oh,
try.
no.
Good there.
Fuck.
Oh no.
No. That was
Still in butt lord. We had no chance.
Fuck.
so bad.
Alright, time to...
2 goals in 2 minutes. We got this. Let's go. Yeah, I'll push. I'll push.
Bruh.
We got this.
Oh!
Woohoo! Get there.
Oh,
Get
nice.
there.
Oh, damn, I should have gotten that one. Let's go. We'll
Bruh,
play it.
no, I pushed it.
Oh, wrong button.
Oh!
Let's go.
Oh!
Oh, that was fire.
KT!
No! What the fuck?
That was tragic, KT.
That was
Dude.
brutal.
I pressed space. Why did it not dive? That's crazy.
I got it. Okay.
Oh, nice pass. Bro.
Oh,
How do you dive with the keeper again?
Space.
I have a controller. Anybody?
Wait, how do you what?
Wait, what
How
the
do you
fuck?
dive with the keeper?
Oh, Y.
Thank you.
Or B is to like slide.
Yep.
nice.
Got a minute for 3 goals, yo. Anything is possible.
Oh,
It's about to be 4. Oh, nice. You can tackle the keeper. Oh.
We have no time.
Whoa.
Oh fuck. Play through.
Oh.
Well done.
Oh, nice.
Fuck.
This is tragic. How do you jump, Akon?
Left button.
What button?
Left?
Oh, that's jump.
Yeah.
It's a valiant effort.
Wow. That was bad.
Alright, last one.
Yeah, we can't go out like that.
I'm at 9%.
Light tab.
Ronaldinho is
Lob,
just
lob,
1,000
push ball.
points.
Lob, push ball. Lob, light tab.
Joyful Brazilian wizard.
What's the rainbow on control again? It's modifier plus A plus
Nah,
Just
that's
do
it.
RB and A. Yeah.
RB.
No.
Right. Yeah.
And like in the direction kind of
Yep.
that you want.
Right. Now I remember.
Oh, bad pass.
Nice,
Oh.
dude.
Keeper.
I feel like the shader might have bugged out or like that something because my colors.
That is actually fucking crazy. What the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
Yo, how do you
I
report
swear-
people in this game?
I swear to God, I need to stop
I think
passing.
he might get vac banned just off of like being unbelievable. Don't tackle me,
Oh,
bro.
that's you. That's you. Hey!
I think we have realized who's the menace on our team in this game.
No,
For Valorant,
dude,
it was
I-
Nikita. This is KT all the way.
Fuck.
Oh.
Alright, lads.
It's all
I
bad.
don't understand. I don't understand.
That was good though.
How? None of that was good.
No, by him.
It was fire.
What's on his face?
Vitiligo.
What's on his face?
What's on his
It's
mind?
an autoimmune condition. That's what's on his fucking face.
The red shit. Yeah.
It's such a double-edged sword with the games.
I forgot that.
Are we gonna play this
I
game?
forgot the dive. I forgot the dive. What it was.
That's actually great.
Let me just get back a goal. I'll just do that again. Hey, you can go. You can go. Thank God there's no text chat. This fucking good.
What?
No way I didn't get that, dude. That's insane.
We'd be getting roasted.
I feel like I would want spatial chat with the other teams.
Oh,
Don't
no,
talk shit.
Mud.
Go.
Leaving the box. No, I'm not.
Bro,
I'm in the box.
guys.
Oh, what a save!
Whoa.
Yeah, these, guys
HE!
are,
Oh,
these guys are actually
we got
playing.
this.
They're like, they're fucking. Oh yeah, we're on the mercy rule. I forgot about that.
Bro, they scored 3 times.
back of the box, back of the box.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's right. That's.
What the fuck? With
He
this
should
pass
have gotten
direction?
that. That was crazy.
Uh-oh, boys. Uh-oh, boys. Alright, I've been up. I'm here. I'm here if you
My
need.
pass
Get there.
is
Get there.
What?
Let's go!
Yes! It's actually random direction.
Do you have like KT, do you have like a null bind keyboard or something?
I don't know.
Do you have something that's just
From
inputting
now on,
keys?
I'm just gonna press pass without pressing any direction.
No, don't do that.
That's worse.
Otherwise it's always the opposite direction to my input.
So this rainbow quickly, what the fuck?
Oh, wrong button.
Shit. Oh shit, bro.
Oh shit. What is happening?
Is the mercy rule 4 goals period or 4 goals?
I think they put that 4-4.
Is it 4-0? Okay, yeah. What a ball! What a ball!
Oh, what a pass!
Let's go.
Oh, that was great. That was great.
I just got
Good pass.
shit on in that last goal. This will be a really close game.
Nice.
He flied away.
Alright, boys. Redemption in the box.
That's right.
Pause.
Yo, we got plenty of time.
Yeah, keepers can just
Fucking
stall,
jerk.
which is hilarious.
Nice.
I got you.
Yo, that's right. That's right. Put it in.
Oh!
Dude.
I do know how to shoot.
Yo, help. Nice.
The fuck?
Shit.
Go, go, go.
Across the box if you
All
need.
you.
Oh, that was a good tackle. Clean. You got it, KT? Are you back in the box, Akon?
Back in the box. Back in the box.
Oh, what a save!
Nice.
Oh, go, go, go.
I'm with
I'm
you,
here.
with you, Oh, that was almost beautiful.
Oh.
Oh,
go, go, go.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
No, he's nice.
Oh yeah.
You're fucking nasty with it, Akon.
Oh, sorry. Sorry,
Good
dude.
shit. Good shit.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
If you need. Oh my god!
Let's go.
Oh my god.
What a rally!
Good plays, dude. Good plays.
For the one time, the pass actually worked.
Perfect pass, yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, somebody else please be keeper. I don't want to throw it.
I got you. I got you. Oh,
Nice.
nice. Nice.
Way to stay home. Oh, let's
Oh,
go.
take it. Take it. It's yours.
Oh my, I swear to God.
No, that was a good pass.
It's not meant
Oh.
for him. Oh, nice.
But
Oh
Oh
fuck.
shit.
ah,
Oh.
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 Yes.
I forgot you can save into the fucking goal.
Oh, it's all you.
what?
KT, last defense.
Shit.
No.
Oh, shit. Okay.
I told
That
you,
was
the
so
pass was
bad.
fucked up. Overtime.
Y'all.
Oh, okay. So the rainbow flick gets priority, I think. You don't get tackled out of it. Oh, plate up, plate up!
Oh, fuck.
Clear it.
I got it.
Alright, bet.
Oh,
Whoa.
Nice.
I'm up!
I got you.
Oh, shit.
I couldn't.
What?
I
Too
should
far,
have.
too far?
I fucking missed the indicator. I suck. That's my bad.
Alright, I got one over here.
Nice.
Oh,
Play up.
That's
KT,
right.
it's you!
Hey.
You have it. No, it's a con.
Oh. KT?
Bink it backward.
Yeah, cross that.
I don't trust my pass.
Oh! Terrible slide. Oh, what
Nice,
a fucking
nice
save.
work.
Amina.
Here you go.
No,
Oh,
what?
Go, go.
Okay. You got it.
Bruh.
Fuck.
No. Oh, shit.
Nice.
Fuck.
Clear it. Good D.
Good shit.
Go.
There you go.
Oh, go.
Nice.
I don't have any,
Behind!
I didn't have any
Take it.
stamina. Fuck.
Oh, alright, yeah, you gotta hit the lob modifier. Oh, what a tackle.
Nice.
Go.
My bad.
Oh, yes.
Oh, my bad. That's the shit. I was using the shoot button to pass.
Oh. Nice. Good D.
Okay. Nice.
Oh!
Neat.
Go. Go.
Let's go.
Pass. Oh, wait.
Let's go.
Oh, that was a great shot on goal, guys. Great shit.
Good plays,
We gotta
good plays.
Gotta get back.
Nice.
I don't understand. That's a crazy save.
Nice. Good block, dude.
Oh. Keep her out.
Keeper's off the line.
Shoot it.
Shoot that shit.
Oh.
No way that wasn't me, dude.
Oh, what a save.
Nice, bro.
Let's go.
What a save.
Let's go.
With you, KT, with you.
What the fuck? What the fuck is that pass?
It's all good. You just gotta press that lob modifier. I haven't done it a million times, actually.
Nice.
I'm out. Oh, wait.
Nice.
Oh!
Off the glass.
Oh!
Yo!
Okay.
Fuck. Oh, shit.
It's okay. I'm there.
Nice.
That's right.
Clear. Nice.
Watch the flick. Oh!
Oh, I was trying to pass. No. Don't commit. Nice.
That's right. Fuck.
Oh my fucking god.
Nice, bro.
Fuck. Flex it.
Oh shit.
Motherfucker.
Oh, boys.
Oh, that was a painful.
Well fought.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Damn.
No. We shot.
No.
At some point, the
No, that
defense
would
has
hurt.
gotta give. At some point, the defense has to give.
Damn. This grandpa fool.
I'm gonna spend like 5-10 minutes. I just need to like, I'm gonna actually like dribble some shit real quick.
All right,
overtime. It's great.
Actually, like,
I gotta bounce, but I will trade as well.
All right.
Yeah, we're good to go. I'm gonna test what I have. I can merge it up. This does not require all of us. We are good.
Okay.
Fire. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right.
Take care, guys.
Peace. Wait, is it KT Pastry Sandbox or Pastry Sandbox same?
Same build.
Starting to understand it. The indicator, this is what it, like when people said queuing, I didn't really understand what the fuck it meant. But it's a lot like a fighting game, actually. It's a lot, which makes sense. So essentially, when that indicator comes up, you get to buffer an input in, and that input's just gonna come out. So it's very similar to a fighting game. So like if I shoot, and I see that indicator come up, and I press like, you know, like the rainbow flick input, I'll cue this short little like, you know, like self lob basically. So like if let's say I rainbow flick and then I do it again, that's when I like can do this like volley chain basically. I'm just queuing it, and then I can cue a shot the same way. So if I want to like, shoot something. Like that, you just hit that when it's up in the air. I can hit it super early. Like I hit it like right when the indicator comes up, and then I just cue the shot. And that like buffers the input. So it's kind of like fighting games where you need to take that. In most games, you press the input like when you want to do it. In fighting games, you want to press it, you buffer it beforehand. It's the same shit.
I still don't understand the pass, like the direction of the pass. Like, what is it?
Yeah. So, the direction, I mean, on controller, wherever I move, right? And then if I input pass, it's where I put the movement control. That's where it's gonna like show up. So like if I want to move like pass backwards, I have to like, instead of moving backwards, I hit the pass input and put it backwards. Where you're looking doesn't help really at all.
But when I press, here I'll share my screen. So like, look, I'm facing forward, right? I'm pressing D, so it's supposed to pass backwards. I'm pressing S. Sorry, S. WASD. So S is back, right?
Okay, hold on. Let me look at your shit. Hold on. Let me watch your screen. Okay, yeah.
I'm pressing S and pass. It still passes forward.
Maybe it's a different control. So look in the bindings. It could be something different because it could be like a specific binding.
Thank you.
Good ball. It isn't safe. What's tap?
Huh?
It doesn't say pass. It says tap.
Okay. So the hard part about shooting is that you need to know where you're going to shoot like before you buffer the input. So you need to have your aim already sorted on goal, and you need like you know how there's crosshair placement in fucking CS?
Yeah.
So in this game, your crosshair placement's so important because you need it. It doesn't matter. Like you don't need to be looking at the ball to get the indicator.
Yeah.
You can get it from behind you. It's all just proximity based. So like, if I want to shoot on goal, I need to know like, I'm gonna hit top ends like right there. And I need to know I want it. And it's all more about your body's position.
So say somebody passed me from there. Right. That's how it works.
Yeah. But that's why it's like...
So like this.
Yeah, you basically just don't want to touch your view really at all, like as much. Like it's a lot like CS in that like it's really WASD or left stick dominant. Like if I'm working in the box, you know, and I trust my teammates to get me the right pass, and I'm just in goal, I need to like, or if a ball's like in the air, I need to like adjust it, which is probably why the sensitivity is so high to begin with, so that I can like twist,
like
flick, and then like get over and then shoot.
It's like a no scope, like straight up have to like just turn it, hit it.
Yeah.
But if the ball is behind you, you can't really see the indicator.
You can hear it though.
Oh yeah.
You get that audio cue. Which is how all those
I still don't understand the pass.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with your input.
Yeah, like try to pass it into the goal.
That works. If I just tap.
Yeah, then like
and
pass
do nothing.
left.
Oh
Yeah,
wait,
like,
wait.
do that. Like
I know how it works now. It's like when after you press the pass, You
thing
shake
comes
your
out.
mouse.
What?
You shake your mouse. So if I want to pass right, it's like this. Oh, that's how it works.
Oh, I thought it was.
Dude,
That makes more
finally. It's not, okay, the pass is not binded to WASD or your movement direction at all.
sense. Oh.
It's like, after this comes out, you angle with your mouse. So if I want to pass left, it's like that.
I guess that makes sense.
It's actually very precise where you want to pass.
You need to buffer your input really early to get it on the volleys and stuff. Like, you cannot wait till the ball's like even like close to you on the indicator, just while you won't get it. Let me see if the moonwalking thing still works. So it's... Oh wait, no, it's not gonna work. Oh, yeah, that's for sure.
It's so easy to fuck up the pass. I'm a passing master now.
Good to know.
We'll need that.
Dude.
Oh shit.
Dude, mouse and keyboard is the way to go for this game.
This is actually pretty hard.
Yeah, threes is hard also.
Oh, dude, so nice.
Okay, maybe you don't. Maybe that's not it. So, something that I saw
I need
that
to
was
run
funny-
another one.
Something that I saw that was pretty funny is in competitive, so like, you know the sprint speed, like the normal sprint speed, right? So you know what's
Yeah.
faster than the normal sprint speed? Doing this.
Dash, 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 dash. Doing what?
Oh wait, yeah, I'm not sharing. Fuck. Hold on. Yeah, like I'll show you. Alright, this is this. So like the normal sprint speed. Well, this is the extra effort, which is different. But like, it's literally, you'll see players in competitive doing this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
It's faster.
That's great. It is.
What did you press for that?
It's the dive input, whatever you have for it. For me, it's Y.
True, we have
Dive.
ranked. Like ranked is about to be wild.
I don't know what dive is. Is it F? B? Base?
It's whatever your jump is.
I don't know what jump.
Dude, you need to
Oh,
put
it's
the
Q.
input as soon as you hear it.
It's Q.
It is. It's really something. So it's more off the audio cue.
It's-
Like fuck the visual.
Yeah.
It's Q.
I feel like the audio cue gets like the timing right.
You can do it while you dribble, dude. That's so funny.
Yeah. You can, so like the way people chain this. Alright, like let me try it. I'm gonna get it wrong, but alright, it's they're like sprinting, they do this, they they cue it, they like sprint and they shoot. It's like that. It's like seems to be like the combo that a lot of people take, where it's like you're sprinting, do this, you can wait, fuck. Sprinting, you get a fucking wait, I keep fucking it up. Yeah, the one thing that fucks me up a lot is extra effort, like pushing the ball immediately forward. Nope, that's not it. Stop doing that. Wait. Wait, how do I sprint normally again?
Alright. I think I know how to play this game now. Let me do a 4v4. Anyone wants to join me?
Let's do a 3v3. How about that?
Yeah, we should already.
All right.
Let me just make sure I can drive. Cause I'm at a broke driving.
Wait, how do I cancel matchmaking?
But they
Oh,
don't
shit.
let you. But they're like, you're gonna put it in fucking game.
What the fuck?
We just matchmade, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Oh, yeah, it's me and Rourke.
Oh, good.
Alright, well, fuck it.
There is something wrong with this. But I think it's with the colliders and like me being on top of a collider. But yeah, car.
I'm on it.
Well,
What the fuck?
I think one of the homies wanted to get in goal and he was like, didn't
Yeah.
let him. He wasn't really defending.
Oh, he passed it into it. Oh shit. I thought that was a passing master. It's still kind of hard to pass, not gonna lie.
Here.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Yeah, once you kind of get the queuing side of it, it like I start to freak out a little less when I see volleys. Like that person played it textbook, like off the backboard. Like I didn't do anything. I was just waiting.
I've got it.
Open. Oh.
It's UKT.
Yep.
I think I need to play on mouse and key for the sole reason that my extra effort, like, it,
My bad.
it, like, activates by itself sometimes. It's like, because it's on the same button.
Yeah.
I
But it's
think it's a setting for a controller.
To, like, double click or something?
No, to like auto effort, auto extra effort.
Oh.
I think it's like somewhere in your setting.
Oh, okay. Sweet. As long as I can turn that off, I don't really mind. It's like I've been trying to like sprint with the ball and like lost the ball a couple of times because of that.
See, passing master.
Mine. Pass.
Bro, bro is so confused. Pass. Oh.
Not a bad shot, actually.
Yeah.
Keep it.
Whoa, what a goal.
Oh.
What a goal.
I feel like I've seen this guy before. Worms.
I got goalie, bro.
I think we faced him.
Take it out. Everybody get down by the goal. Hit it off the top.
Oh, okay.
He is right though. Hit it off. the
Kick
top.
it off the backboard.
Oh! Not quite, not quite, but the heavy sigh. Bro's upset. At an unranked match of a game that just came out.
Come on, bro.
Sorry. I'm on it.
Ooh.
Oh. It's crazy now that I know how it works. It's still kind of hard.
Yeah.
Damn, my bad.
Ooh.
Oh, you got that. Come on.
Wait, what? He missed the fucking tackle. Wait, what?
Nice. To me.
Ah. Now I see.
Oh fuck.
Go, go, go. Oh, you. Middle.
Oh fuck.
Oh, shit.
I'm out of juice.
Pass.
Bro, y'all know when I have the ball to get down there. I don't know what you're doing. You obviously don't want to win or score. The fuck, man?
I'm
Making
kind of
no
clear.
progress with the ball.
It reminds me of Rocket League. The tilt. It's funny, tilt with these kind of games is like actually way more than shooters.
Yeah.
People really fucking get tilted.
Doesn't even matter.
This guy's just following me all the way. Oh no.
Go find a new game. This ain't for you.
I think we need to do a 3v3. Oh, we can do rank now. Have you unlocked rank?
I have no idea. I haven't even checked. Oh no no! KT, quit the fucking matchmaking.
I can't. Wait, how do I quit?
You can. It's you.
Sorry.
You fucking.
Fuck. It's not you. It says L. I don't know what L is.
I don't know. Leave.
I don't know. All right, our first what's it called? Ranked match.
Why is it? We're playing ranked 5v5.
Yep. Yep. You're in it. And I'm the goalie.
Ranked 5v5. Neither of us know how to play this fucking game.
It's okay. We're gonna win this.
First
The big
strike.
Dutch. The big Dutch is gonna carry us.
Pass.
Oh, he's gonna score. Nice. Oh shit. How do you lob again?
Holy fucking shit. It's whatever the dive input is, which I don't know if you know. Oh, no, sorry, not lob. Lob is just you hit a modifier.
And what is that modifier on keyboard?
I don't know. How do you rainbow flick? Is it one
C.
button for you? Oh, then you're fucked. Never mind. This game would be absolutely nutty on fight stick, actually. Like an arcade stick. This game would be crazy because it's basically just 8 directions.
Nice.
Right, I just merged. Y'all are in the game.
Yeah, it's an accident. Oh, you can block rainbow with jump.
You can, yeah. You gotta buffer it at the right time, though.
I swear.
We I think I will just try mouse and key at some point, but I will need to spend like several hours just in practice mode.
Big Dutch.
I'm here if you
All
need.
right, gentlemen, I'm going to eat some dinner.
Alright, I'll
Alright.
check you later, man.
Yes, if we are playing this later, please do hear me.
I will.
Okay. We're probably gonna play.
I mean, shit,
feeling
let
it.
me know. Yeah, let me know. All right.
All right.
See ya.
Later.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh.
My fault. My bad.
Oh. That big Dutch could have scored. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh, Dutch! One of them is so good.
Yeah, we just can't get across midfield.
No. Oh, nice. Nice try. Oh shit. Oh, nice. Keeper definitely has like a bigger hitbox. Oh, nice.
Oh, I didn't pass it on. Enough. Quick enough.
Watch out for number 1.
We got one shot, KT. Oh, never mind. Well, maybe. Nope. Oh.
Oh. That's unfortunate.
Fucking ball!
Alright, so 4 placement games, burn 1.
It's fine.
Okay.
It was a quick one.
Okay, wait. So it says waiting for owner. Do not do anything. Because you are the. I think you are the owner.
All right. I can kick you and do a solo one.
Yeah, go for it. 'Cause I gotta go anyway. But
Okay. Oh, what?
please don't tell me. Oh, okay. It's like, I swear to God. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. We'll just do different software. Alright.
Bro, what?
What? What's going on?
That's crazy. We're so bad. I queued with like a 3v3 and all 3 of us are horrible.
Oh
That's so bad. That's insane.